If you want to check your Gmail password on iPhone, this quick guide will show you how to find saved login details safely. First, open Settings on your iPhone. Then scroll down and tap on Passwords. Now, authenticate using Face ID or passcode. Here, you'll see all saved passwords on your device. Search for your Google or Gmail account and tap on it. You'll be able to view the saved password and even copy it if needed. Another method is to open Chrome or the Google app, then tap on your profile icon at the top. Go to Password Manager or Password, and here you can find all saved login details linked to your account. If you still can't find it, you can always go to the Gmail login page and tap on Forgot Password to reset it. So, yeah, that's how you can check your Gmail password on iPhone. If this helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching.